From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
Any thunder shower from the evening is fading away, and then partly to mostly cloudy skies through the overnight. Temperatures easing down to within a few degrees either side of the 70-degree mark as we head toward daybreak. Partly sunny here for your Friday, with showers and thunderstorms becoming widespread midday and afternoon. Some of those storms across the area could be strong to severe. There's a level 2 out of 5 risk of severe weather for Friday across all of southern middle Tennessee, North Alabama into northeast Mississippi. The main time frame, and I'll detail that in just a moment with Futurecast, midday afternoon into about the first half of the evening. Then again on Saturday, midday afternoon into the early evening, another level 2 out of 5 risk of severe weather. Both days, damaging straight line winds, heavy rain, and lightning are the primary threats Friday afternoon and Saturday afternoon. Tornado threat is not zero, but it's never completely zero anytime you have a severe storm on the board, but it's a tiny, very small chance. It's a situation where we just want to play it safe, and we can't say there's a zero threat, but it's about as close to zero as it can be. It's a small chance. We're not expecting tornadoes is what the situation is. It's primarily damaging straight line winds, localized street flooding and flash flooding, some isolated small hail, and then heavy rain and frequent cloud to ground lightning. That's Friday afternoon, evening, starting around midday, and then Saturday, the same timing, midday afternoon into the evening. Here's the Futurecast breakdown starting tonight with quiet conditions, partly cloudy, beginning tomorrow morning, upper 60s, lower 70s, warming into the upper 80s to lower 90s by the afternoon for Friday, with showers and thunderstorms becoming widespread, some of those strong to severe. Again, the primary threat is damaging straight line winds that moves through afternoon and evening. A few more storms during the late overnight, but with the atmosphere worked over and the instability calming down overnight, I'm not really expecting these to be up to severe levels, but they could produce some pea-sized hail and some 30-40 mile per hour winds, in addition to some lightning and some really loud thunder possible late Friday night. Quiet as we get toward daybreak on Saturday. By midday Saturday, we're watching another complex of strong to severe thunderstorms, and they will likely extend up into parts of Tennessee as well, not just focused in North Alabama. They move across the area during the afternoon, early evening. Some of those strong to severe again with the same threat types. And then we'll watch during the late overnight, Saturday night, probably after 10 p.m. to midnight through the morning hours of Sunday, for another complex of thunderstorms to move in. But the atmosphere will be pretty worked over by then, so I'm not thinking it's much of a severe storm type threat as much as it will be a heavy rain and maybe some isolated flooding type situation. By midday and afternoon Sunday, the more widespread storms are shifting south of us, but scattered showers and thunderstorms around. And then next week, we keep this disturbed pattern across the area. Daily chances of scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms next Monday, next Tuesday, next Wednesday, next Thursday, probably next Friday as well. It's looking unsettled here. We had earlier had isolated rain chances for mid to late week next week. We're having to trend up on those looking at new model data. Upper 80s to lower 90s here for Friday ahead of the thunderstorms. And then when the clouds and rain around weekend into next week, we step back to the lower half of the 80s for daytime highs here, but still within a few degrees of what we consider average. Partly cloudy to start the day for your Friday. Here's you grab the first cup of coffee, starting near 70 or a couple degrees either side of that. Maybe a stray shower during the morning, but I'm really thinking things hold off until midday and afternoon. And that's when strong to severe thunderstorms start to develop across the area and on through the afternoon into the evening. Damaging straight line winds, the primary threat. Highs in the upper 80s, a few 90 or 91 degree readings over North Alabama and northeast Mississippi. Showers and thunderstorms likely on Saturday again, midday afternoon into the early evening. Some of those strong to severe with damaging straight line winds. Another heavy rain complex late overnight Saturday night into the morning hours of Sunday. Heavy rain, isolated flash flooding, frequent lightning and 30 to 40 mile per hour winds, but that probably staying below severe limits overnight Saturday night into Sunday morning. Things becoming more scattered and hit or miss Sunday afternoon, and then daily scattered to widespread showers and thunderstorms each day as we head through next week. That's Look Your latest 7-day forecast. Ben Luna is in the Weather Center here tomorrow morning, live at 6 a.m. with your Wake Up Weather forecast.